I wanted to update everyone on some new and exciting changes coming to the home membership family of services that will make your life easier as an agent, as well as a new product offering we think your clients are going to love. Let's get going. First off, our 3 levels of home warranty plans, which were the basic, plus, and premium, will be condensed down to one offering, which is our premium plan at $550 for buyer clients. And we will simply change this name to be called our home warranty plan moving forward. This ensures your clients get the best plan and the most amount of items covered. So remember, moving forward, you will want to make sure you write in at least $550 into the contract for your buyer client. Secondly, and something I'm super excited about, is our new home maintenance plan. After a few focus groups and several rounds of feedback from our members and realtor partners, we created a home maintenance plan that helps to make owning a home easier, cheaper, and safer for your real estate clients. Plus, most home warranty companies don't cover regular home maintenance items, and they may exclude coverage for things that aren't properly maintained. Here's what's going to be included in our home membership maintenance plan. HVAC maintenance to extend the life of your unit and reduce monthly operating cost. Emergency HVAC response for those after hours or weekend breakdowns. Dryer vent cleaning to clean debris from your vent to reduce the possibility of a fire. Lockout Locksmith Service in case someone is locked out of their home. And yes, we will verify ownership before service is rendered. Home site assistance that will help our members find a vendor for just about any home service need, and in most cases they will receive a discount from our partner vendor. Smoke detector battery replacement that will replace those pesky batteries that are sometimes hard to change and easy to forget checking. Water heater flush to cut down on sediment buildup and operating costs of your hot water heater. Wi-Fi performance service to make sure your home's Wi-Fi is set up to get the fastest speeds possible. Our home maintenance plan is $390 a year or $32.50 a month, and the service is offered to existing homeowners as well. Now let's say 5 years has passed and your real estate client has renewed their home maintenance plan every year and they decide they want to sell their home. Home membership will send your client a home maintenance certification that you can add to their listing in the MLS and mention in the remarks that the property has had 5 years of continuous home maintenance provided by home membership. This is going to add tons of value to your listing and make potential buyers feel a lot better about purchasing your client's home. And it could potentially lead to the home selling for more. So let's do a quick recap. Our basic and plus warranty plans are going away, and we will only offer our most popular home warranty plan. We are offering a home maintenance plan the seller can purchase for the buyer, or the buyer can add it on after their closing. And lastly, don't forget, all active members who have a home maintenance plan can request a maintenance certification from us when it's time to sell their home to add even more value to their listing. Thank you, and make home ownership easy with home membership.